Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the phone number that is linked to your Access Bank account without going to any physical bank. You're going to be able to do it using the Access Bank mobile app. So if you have lost your SIM card or change your mobile phone number, it's important to update the phone number that is linked to your Access Bank account. So in this video I will show you the step-by-step process to update or change the phone number using the Access More app. So just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. So the first step now is to open up your Access Bank app. So let me tap on the Access Bank app to open it. You can see now the Access Bank app is opening. So what I have to do now is to input my password to log in. But in case you have not started using the Access Bank app and you want to start using it, I've already made a dedicated video that will show you how to register on this app to activate the app so you can start using the app. So just go over to the description of this video. You're going to see the link right there. Tap on the link. They'll be able to learn how to register and activate the Access Bank app to carry out your transaction. So let me tap on sign in right away to log into my Access Bank app account. You can see now it's opening. So once the app opens up, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. You can see the Access profile icon right there. So let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now under this profile is to tap on where you can see change personal data. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. Then now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see type. You can see it right there, or you can tap on the drop down icon on the right. So let me tap on type. Let me just tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see phone number. That's the first option. You can see it right there. So let me tap on phone number real quick. Then now the next step you have to take now is to input your phone number. But before that, you have to input the prefix. The prefix is your country code. You can see where it is written prefix. So let me tap on prefix. So guys, now you can see right here, these are countries with their country code. So let me search out my country so I can select the prefix of my country. You can see my country right there. So let me tap on it now to select it. You can see the prefix right there. That's the country code. You can see now the country code has been imputed. Now the next step I have to take now is to tap on where I can see number. You can see where it is written number. Let me tap on it so I can quickly input my phone number. So let me input my phone number right away. Let me type it in so this video doesn't cross 4 minutes. I don't want this video to be too long. So I've inputted now my phone number. So the next step now is to tap on where I can see continue. So once I tap on continue, then I will go over to the next step. So let me tap on continue real quick. Then the next step now is to input my transaction pin. This to authenticate that I'm actually the owner of this account. So let me go ahead now to input my transaction pin to proceed with this process. Right there, guys, can see it's loading up. Wow, guys, can see success, customer updates logged successfully. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to change the phone number that is linked to my Access Bank account. You can see I've been able now to do it on my Access Bank app. So guys, this is how I can be able to do it, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye.